Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert text box in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting text box in Canva is a straightforward process that allows you to position text precisely where you want it in your design, enhancing the overall layout and design flow. Once you're logged into your account, you can start by choosing a template that you wanted. You can go for business, for social media, education, video, marketing, or print products. Or if you have like a design already in your mind, just click on the create a design option in the upper left corner. My case, I'm going to be choosing social media because after creating this video, I'm going to upload a thumbnail alongside with it in our G-Plaf's YouTube channel. Now here, all I have to do is very simple. Okay? Go to the left side panel of your dashboard, and from there, that's going to be a text. If you click that, there is an option that says add a text box, and that is how you simply insert a text box here in Canva. Now here, you can add multiple options when you insert a text right here. You can drag, you can move it, you can increase the size. You can do that here. Or you can do it on this section. Put in any value, say 100, maybe. And of course, you can have the effects. You see all that under your disposal. So you're not limited with the options. You can also have the option to animate, rise, pan, fade, blur, wipe, pop. So there's a lot. Drift, tectonic, or maybe breathe. Burst. Alright. And of course, you also have the option to change the font to whatever font that you have in mind. So you're not limited. In the effects, again, you can choose all of these. You can also use the position, top, left, center, right, bottom, middle, that. And you might want to click on this option right here to check if the design is good for you, because Canva provides a wide range of fonts, sizes, and formatting options, allowing you to choose styles that match your design's themes. Once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on the share button, wherein you can download this as an MP4 video, a GIF. You can also use that as a JPEG, PNG, or PDF standard, or PDF print. You also have the option to allow your contributors, your team members, your client, your freelancers to work with that design by copying this link to them via social media or via an email. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.